You are welcome to this lesson. Let us first do corrections of the previous lesson. We are supposed to find the circumference of a semicircle whose diameter is 14 centimeters and circumference of a quadrant whose radius is 14 centimeters, and we are given pi as 22 out of 7. Part A, circumference of a semicircle is given by formula a half times pi times diameter. Remember, the pi is 22 out of 7 and diameter 14 centimeters. When we substitute, we shall have a half times 22 out of 7 times 14 centimeters. And this gives us 22 centimeters. Part B, a quadrant is a quarter of a circle. By formula, circumference of a quadrant is given by a quarter times 2 pi r. Remember, pi is 22 out of 7 and radius 14 centimeters. So it is a quarter times 2 times 22 out of 7 times 14 centimeters. Remember to write the units correctly. And this gives us 22 centimeters. In this lesson, let us find the circumference of sectors of circles. A sector is a part of a circle. It has got a curved surface and a center angle and 2 radii. By formula, circumference of a sector is given by the center angle out of 360 degrees times 2 times pi times radius. Or circumference of a sector is given by fraction of a sector times 2 times pi times radius. Let us look at the following. Find the circumference of a sector whose center angle is 36 degrees with radius 10 millimeters. Use pi 3.14. Remember, the formula of finding circumference of a sector is the center angle out of 360 degrees times 2 times pi times radius. And the center angle is 36 degrees out of 360 degrees times 2 times pi, which is 3.14 times 10 millimeters. And this gives us 6.28 millimeters. Activity. Calculate the circumference of the following sectors. Use pi 3.14. Number 1. The sector has the radius as 100 millimeters and the center angle is 72 degrees. Number 2. The sector has the radius as 16 centimeters with a fraction 1 out of 8, 1/8.